Yeah, welcome to another episode of voiceofthesun.com. Today I'm going to be talking about something that is very important to me as an Igbo person and also important to we Ndi Igbo. And that is what we Ndi Igbo expect from Ohanaze Ndi Igbo as a body of elders, I would say, and also from our leaders, our governors, our senators, and every other person who is an Igbo leader who represents us within the House of Rep, in the upper chambers and wherever. Now, it's no news that there has been lots of killings, lots of insecurity, killings, and all whatnot in Igbo. And as we wake up every day to the news of this killing here, this robbery here, this kidnapping here, these soldiers going here to go and kill this person, or whatever it is that happens in Igbo as a form of insecurity, the summary of it is that we are losing too many Igbo lives. Like it now seems as if Igbo lives don't matter. It seems as if no one cares. There's nobody speaking up for the Igbo masses. As long as you're safe in your house, you know, only the safe when we come Abuja or you're in Lagos, when we come no abroad. As long as no that you are safe, you know, it does not concern you. And then we have what I would call a dysfunctional society right now in Igbo. You know, no one speaks up. Ohanaze Ndi Ìgbò, I don't know what you stand there to do for Ndi Igbo. You see, like in the north, whenever there is an issue, concerning our common interest in Nigeria, whenever there's an issue between, let's say, the Igbo, between the Igbo and the Hausa, or between the Yoruba and the Hausa, whatever it is, you see the Arewa Consultative Forum, basically the elders there, I think the Northern Elders Forum and all of that. You see them come out and make statements that influence what the federal government, that influences the path the federal government will take. Even if it does not influence the path the FG will take, it basically guides them and tells them that yes, whatever you intend to do in the north or whatever happened in the north, we, the elders, in the north, we have a say, we care about our people, and this is the way it should go. And all they do is basically they come out and they speak in the interest of the entire North. This is what the North does through their elders. But now animal elders, Ohanaze Ndi Ìgbò, and for years now, you don't see, like, there's no authority. And other parts of Nigeria would stand still and say, "Oh, Ohanaze Kugoku." No, you don't come out and say anything. Na prison, you're there. They come aputa ndami aputa, just go to a village and just kill people. Let's say they are looking for some criminals or looking for insurgents or whatever. There are ways to go about looking for criminals or insurgents. You try to arrest them and then you prosecute them. But no, you just go flat into no, you just go and kill unarmed, go into a house, kill old people, kill young, just go about killing people with no proof as to is this person a criminal or not. And all these things happen in Igbo, and there's nobody's coming out to say anything, as if Igbo lives don't matter. Ohanaze Ndi Ìgbò, they don't say anything. The governors don't say anything. The governor who is the chief security officer of a state, the army or the police would have a confrontation between them and let's say indigents. Indigents might protest. No guns, no knives, no sticks, nothing. They just open fire and kill and kill people. And no word from the governor, no word from the chairman of that of the local government, no word from the House of Rep member, no word from the senator, nothing. Only will just stay mute. It's anybody, at this point now, the way things are going in Igbo, anybody can just walk in from anywhere, dress in the army uniform or the police uniform, and just come in and kill people in the village and walk away. And then our leaders are just mute. What do we rely on? We rely on the social social anger of Ndi Igbo. Social, on social media, we tweet, we write on Facebook, try to raise social awareness to what we're going through as Ndi Igbo. And there's no authority whatsoever from you, Ohanaze Ndi Ìgbò, and our governors and our senators. No authority whatsoever. Nobody speaks with authority. The only person that has come close to speak up for Ndi Igbo is Nnamdi Kanu. He's his intention. So you see, he has millions of followers because he's the person that has come out and says, yes, enough is enough. All what we are asking for is leadership. That's all. Ndi Igbo, we are a very happy people. We go about our business, we go about everywhere in Nigeria, the world, we make things happen. Wherever we go, we bring progress. All we ask for is leadership to defend us in times when we are being persecuted, or in times when there's a misunderstanding between us and, let's say, any other group of people. That is not so much to ask. And is it so much to ask? So all I'm saying is, I would say I'm sounding like a mouthpiece. Voice of the Sun is basically, we are a voice to the people of the Southeast. Whatever disturbs the Southeast disturbs us. My light has gone off, but we must continue. Whatever disturbs the Southeast disturbs, us. And we get lots of reports, get lots of emails, we get lots of... There are many things that happen in Ndi Igbo that I can't even say here. There are many videos that I can't even... If I want to play, there are so many things that have gone wrong. I'm not saying this person is right, this person is... All I'm saying is we need leadership to be able to speak up for us and demand justice and demand explanations where there are no clear explanations to what is basically happening. The killings going on. If you are arresting criminals, there has been lots of kidnappings. Yes, we say flush Anambra, flush Imo State, flush Abia of these criminals, of these kidnappers. But in the process of fishing them out, don't go about killing innocent citizens now. And when that happens, because they've tagged every criminality happening on IPOB or MASOB or whatever, automatically everybody now becomes IPOB and MASOB. Automatically every person now becomes a criminal because of the negative tag. All we're saying is our leaders should come out, speak up for us. Let us define who is a criminal, who is the man in his village, and the army is walking, and just because they protested, they begin to shoot. We need representation. We need serious representation. This is where I will come to the end of this video. If you have a father or an uncle that represents us as a senator, that is a governor, that is Ohanaze Ndi Ìgbò especially, they need to be a stronger voice for Ndi Igbo. Reach out to them and send them this video. Talk to them. Haputa kwoku. Amunwoke ya bulunwoke. Amunwoke ya bulunwoke. Let a man be a man. Haputa kwoku. Defend our people at times such as this. I remember my humble self, Chuk Anduneso. I'm an editor and a teacher. Yeah, a voiceofthesun.com. Sorry, I'm getting all agitated, but that's we can't run from it. So yeah, we've come to the end of this episode, and I hope to see you on the next episode, and I hope to discuss topics such as this. If you have any comments or any suggestions as to how we've rendered of how I've presented this video, feel free to comment. Send me an email at newsdesk@voiceofthesun.com, and I'll be glad to receive your mail and then work on it. I'll see you on the next episode of voiceofthesun.com. There, man.